Quick Open Stem Assembly Instructions. Terminology: lower stem or lower stem assembly, mid-stem, packing gland, and upper stem. Start by applying black Moly-Lit anti-seize compound or equivalent to the upper stem threads. Apply the grease a full 360 degrees around the threads. Insert the upper stem into the packing gland. Thread the stem the entire way through the gland by turning the stem counterclockwise. Next, we're going to set the upper stem depth. Refer to the Quick Open Assembly chart to determine the upper stem depth for the model of valve you are assembling. Using a fixture or calipers, set the upper stem depth. The depth we are setting is from the base of the packing gland to the bottom of the upper stem. This specific depth will allow you to achieve the desired amount of turns to fully open and close the valve. Hold the fixture flush against the bottom of the gland and turn the stem until the bottom of the stem comes to a stop on the fixture. If a fixture is not available, use calipers to measure the appropriate depth. Apply black Moly-Lit anti-seize compound or equivalent to the mid-stem threads. Apply the grease a full 360 degrees around the threads. Next, hold the upper stem secure with your left hand and screw the first couple threads of the mid-stem into the upper stem. The mid-stem has a left-handed thread. The upper stem cannot move during this process. If it does move, reset the appropriate depth. Leave the mid-stem pocket exposed to allow room to insert the lower stem. Apply black Moly-Lit anti-seize compound or equivalent to the lower stem head. Dip the lower stem head into grease. Enough grease should be applied that will allow for full coverage of the stem head when it is inserted into the mid-stem pocket. Insert the lower stem or lower stem assembly into the mid-stem pocket. While holding the upper stem secure, thread the mid-stem into the upper stem. Again, the upper stem cannot move. If it does move, you must reset the appropriate depth. Carefully align the square of the mid-stem with the square in the packing gland. Then proceed to fully draw the mid-stem into the packing gland by turning the upper stem counterclockwise. This concludes the Quick Open Stem Assembly instructions.